Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the SmartBidet CT2000 bidet seat. I hadn't seen too many reviews on this bidet, so I thought I'd kind of give you guys my 2 cents based on my experience and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention too real quick that I actually found a pretty good deal on this bidet. And I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can check that deal out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself, okay? So I should preface this review very quickly by saying that I've always been a big Toto bidet fan. Until this point, they have made the best bidets for the money out there. But honestly, this is the new king for value. I was blown away at the quality of this thing for the price. This is easily on par with, if not better than Toto's bidets for literally half the price. In my opinion, the SB-2000 hits the perfect sweet spot. They do make higher-end models. They also make some lower-end ones. But for the money, this is the perfect sweet spot where, like, if you pay more, you're not getting much more. This is just perfect in terms of the price-to-value ratio, I guess you could say. Okay, so let's talk about why. First thing, quality. Exceptionally well made, very, very solid. All the parts ceramic heaters, stainless steel components all over the place. Extremely good quality. Second, the way it cleans. Without getting into too much detail, it works exceptionally well. It has one of the best cleaning systems that I've ever used or tested, by far. It has 5 different levels of adjustable pressure, 3 temperature levels, and 5 different nozzle positions that can all be customized and stored into the unit. It does have an air dryer feature, which is adjustable up to 5 levels of pressure too, and it works really, really well. Honestly, it sounds weird. And if you've never had a bidet before, you'll probably think this is weird. But it eliminates the need for toilet paper completely. Cleans far better. I mean, if you've never had a bidet before, we'll come to the best thing you've probably ever bought in your life. Honestly, it sounds weird, but it's one of those things where I could never not have one of these for the rest of my life. Let me put it this way. If you were outside and a bird happened to lay a dropping on your shoulder or your arm, just going to wipe that off with a towel or a piece of paper or a Kleenex and say, well, that's good. Or are you going to wash it off with water? I mean, let's face it here. You know what I mean? Anyway, back to the SB-2000. Extremely comfortable seat. You're getting basically all the features you need with nothing you don't. It doesn't have an auto-closing lid. Who really cares? It does have a soft closing lid, which is worth noting. This one does have the little soft close, so it'll never slam or anything like that. It's very easy to install, which is also a nice thing. It comes with all the required fittings to install it. It'll hook up to any standard toilet. They do make an elongated and a round version, depending on what kind of toilet you have. The remote control is very intuitive, very simple, very basic. It just works. You have probably about 10 buttons on there. It's just very easy, well laid out. Simple to use, basic, but very, very functional. The nozzle is self-cleaning and retractable. The self-cleaning feature is of utmost importance. And it's really nice to have a self-cleaning nozzle. But yeah, in terms of value, you will not find another bidet out there that has heated water. A warm air dryer, a heated seat, is extremely well made and has a really, really good cleaning system for this amount of money. Anyway, highly, highly recommended. I absolutely love it. If you guys have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Guys, have a great day.